Are you dancing with me? Wow.
Hello.
Morning. We got a fucking delivery.
Good morning. We got some mail in the post. Post in the mail.
We got some post in the mailbox. We got some post in the post box.
We need a big box.
We got some mail in the post box.
We need a big mailbox.
So we got last week we got the Bullet 2JZ Billet. Sorry, we got the Bullet Billet 2JZ delivered. We put that away. We put it on the Billet block shelf over there. Don't worry about it.
It's only a shelf.
It's just a shelf. Billet blocks. Where we it's just where we keep the billet blocks, so we don't get them confused with the cast blocks.
Over.
Don't look. Don't look. And then this morning, very first thing this morning, we got the Samsonas 6-speed sequential transmission delivered. From what? What are you laughing at? So we got the 6-speed sequential transmission from Samsonas delivered. Shut up, George! For fuck's sake, mate.
Chuckle over there, George.
I think you're funny. I think you're done time. Something funny.
Funny!
Alright, you good? Is everybody good? Everyone got it out of their systems? So, we got the block, and then first thing this morning, we got a package, we got a parcel, and it is the Samsonas 6-speed sequential transmission. So,
have a laugh, go, get it out. No, he's good.
You good, George? Alright. And then up the front here, we've got the Garrett turbocharger that'll be going with it anyway. We just put all the big chef's kiss components on the table for you to see. So all of this combo, and obviously a lot more, is going into JJared's S15. So the goal is around 1200 horsepower, all day, every day, all day ref.
All day.
Ref.
Like 12 hours a day running.
Yeah. Essentially, it's a 2JZ G-up is what we're building. So we want it as reliable, if not more reliable, because it's not our car. We want it even more, even though ours is good. We want more.
I think that's like an AVEX 10,
It probably is. Yeah. AVEX 7s was the thing, wasn't it? Remember what AVEX 7s was?
Yeah, bro.
You didn't have AVEX. Yeah, if you didn't have AVEX 7s, you were just a pleb.
You were. You really were. You were like, you should not be the skate park with us cool kids. Get your shame up. Cool.
Daniel's just working on the tubs at the moment, getting those in, and then we're going to move ahead with the rest of the build. So, yeah. That's that. Turbo's on the wrong side on a 2J, but we're going to make an exception this time just because it is.
So the exception is you're going to make a manifold that wraps around the front.
We're not. We're just going to deal with it because it's billet.
Oh, okay.
We're going to box it back up after George has taken some photos, and then once the sort of engine bay and everything like that is prepped, which is probably going to be a while.
Give it a minute.
Give it a hot minute. Anyway,
stay tuned.
This is what you have to look forward to seeing in that S15 is this. We're going to see it long before you do.
If you want to see this in the S15, make sure
subscribe to the
watching.
YouTube channel in the jungle. That's nice.
Thank you. Oh, can you please remove my microphone? Do you ever have days where you're like, just like, wherever you pull up, you just fall asleep? That just sounds like open fridge is like, I can park here for a bit. So, the yellow car, as George refers to it as, the yellow car. Pretty busy on the yellow car today, yesterday, this week. We got some Rex Callaway tubs that I've got the driver's side in currently. Today I'm going to pump out the passenger side, and then we've also gone ahead and clearance a lot of things out because obviously we've got this pretty wise fab, which is the titties. Could you put titties in there?
I think so.
Yeah? I feel like you can. Yeah, chuck some titties in there. Nah, but like, titties. It's the titties. Anyway, so then we're going to run out of, just for clearance issues really, because this is potentially going to be a very fast drift car, which is on a competitive level. So we've put out as much clearance as we could possibly without recessing the firewall and notching the chassis. And yeah, that's the yellow car for everyone watching. Yeah, boys.
Oh, we got a banner.
Went to the zoo on the weekend. Just got a pallet rocked up in the mail from Zoo Performance. Pretty much everything you sent up from down south for R34 build that we're doing here. And I'd love to show you, but you have to wait for the next one. So make sure you tune in, and we'll show you in the next time you want to watch the unboxing. Hello, Denio Regano over here with the metal update of what we've done on the yellow, what do I call it, the yellow bus? No, the yellow banana boat. It lasts for hours. It's 18 plus. So on the 15, we've got the front tubs put in, both sides now welded up. Just finishing up a few things here. On this side we did, oh my God. How gross is his new car? He loves it. Anyway, so got the passenger side tub in, currently just cleaning up a few tack welds. We recessed all the firewall back, so long term we've got wire spab and all that, so we need as much clearance as we can get with the 18s, we're running 18s. So yeah, we pretty much just recess everything back. We've got as much clearance as we possibly can get without having to recess the firewall. Should be enough, surely. We're not tube fronting it, so. It looks pretty clear under there. And yeah, I'm gonna next George. I actually don't really know what I'm gonna go do yet. Probably go to the toilet. And yeah, that's about it. I just put it in primer and then plug up the rest of the holes in the engine bay, finish cleaning it up. And then I've got to put the motor in, then we've got to dummy everything up, put it in the car, make a gearbox cross member for the Samsonas sequential. And yeah, stay tuned.
Monday. What are you over there for?
This is the third time I've said this now because George keeps stuffing it up.
Do you know how hard it is, George, to redo things that aren't scripted?
Yeah, I don't even remember what I said already.
Literally, I don't, yeah.
All right, this weekend, going down to QR for Matsuri. Autumn
Matsuri.
Autumn Matsuri at QR, so...
It's got to be an awesome Matsuri.
It obviously got postponed with the rain. Looks like there's more rain forecast, but hopefully it'll stay dry and we'll see you all out there. We'll be there all weekend with the G-Up.
So come say hello.
And the golf carts, come say hello if you see us whipping around on the whips.
$2 a ride from if you need a lift on the go-kart. On the
golf cart.
Buggy.
Yeah. So,
at 10 p.m. sharp, we'll be teeing off. So make sure you're there at the Dipper. Yeah.
At the Dipper.
Yeah,
right.
teeing off at the Dipper.
See you all out there. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
And shall see you in the next one.
We shall see you in the next one.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah.